Kuwait resumed air traffic on Thursday after a temporary suspension caused by regional security concern. The country's civil aviation authority confirmed that operations had returned to normal at Kuwait International Airport. The authorities said the airport once again handling arriving and departing flights as scheduled. Air traffic services also resumed across Kuwaiti airspace following a brief disruption earlier in the day. Kuwait had temporarily closed its airspace and suspended flight operations as a precautionary measures. The move came after Iranian attacks heightened tensions across the Gulf region. Authorities acted quickly to ensure the safety of passengers, airline crews, and airport personnel. During the suspension, several flights were diverted to alternative airports in neighboring countries. Officials said the decision to halt air traffic was based on security assessments. Airspace closures are often implemented during periods of heightened military activity to reduce risk to civilian aviation. The temporary shutdown affected both incoming and outgoing flights. Passengers experienced delays as airlines adjusted schedules and rerouted the aircraft. However, the disruption was short-lived and after reviewing the security situation, Kuwaiti authorities determined that normal operations could safely resume. The Civil Aviation Authority announced that all relevant agencies coordinated closely during the suspension. Airport teams worked to minimize disruptions and restore services as quickly as possible. Airlines were informed about the reopening and began resuming regular flight schedules. Travelers were advised to check directly with their carriers for the latest flight information. The airspace closure came amid rising tensions between Iran and United States. The latest developments have increased concerns about regional stability and aviation safety across the Gulf. Several countries in the region have strengthened security measures in responses to the situation. Aviation authorities remain on alert as they continue to monitor developments closely. Kuwait is an important transformation that have in the Gulf. Any disruption to its airspace can affect regional travel and international flight routes. Despite the temporary suspension, airport operations returned to normal within hours. Authorities emphasized that passenger safety remains their top priority. Officials thanked travelers for their patience during the disruption. They also praised aviation personnel for their efforts and maintaining safety and ensuring an orderly resumption of services. The Civil Aviation Authority said it would continue monitoring the regional security environment. Additional measures could be taken if necessary. For now, flights are operating normally through Kuwait International Airport. Air traffic has resumed and the country's airspace remains open. The reopening marks a return to normal operations after a brief but significant interruption caused by regional tensions. Authorities continue to watch the situation closely while keeping aviation safety at the forefront of their response. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.